Everybody, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a really nice one. This is a 2023 Mercedes G550. This one is in China blue on Bengal red interior. It's really gorgeous inside. We'll take a peek here in a second. This is a one owner Texas truck. Got this from a client. 19,000 miles on this one. Clean Carfax, clean title of course. It's been ceramic coated and the front end is wrapped. Very nice. Check out this interior. Look at that red on blue. Looks really nice together. This one's got a lot of good options. We'll go over those real quick. This one does have the active dampening suspension. It's got the microfiber headliner, the AMG sport steering wheel. It's got the spare wheel cover painted in black, which is nice. 20-inch wheels, AMG floor mats. It does have the night package, which is the accents, the black accents on everything is the night package. It's got the G manufacturer interior package plus, which is massage seats and all those comforts inside, heated, ventilated. And it's got the black bull bar on the front. And it's got the AMG line styling, which is the flared wheel arches, the brake calipers, and the sport exhaust. So really nice spec on this one. Very clean, non-smoker, both keys, all the books, window sticker, complete car. Rear seats are heated as well. Look in the back here, it's nice and clean. No scuffs or scrapes. Look at that. Tires are great. Services are all up to date on this. Of course, you still have the full factory warranty remaining. Really nice. Everybody that has seen this one in the shop in person already is just blown away. They all say, wow, nice color, love it. So it's pretty unique. Some of these G-Wagons are getting pretty wild. I saw one with a yellow interior the other day, so very cool. Good trucks, they hold their value well, always popular. Give us a call, text, email us. You can reach us any way you want there. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. We can ship this right to your driveway. We can do deals long distance, no problem with the paperwork, just email it to you. Financing, you can go to the website rogersmotorcars.com, click on financing tab. We've got an option there for you. You can fill out that app and go straight to the bank. You don't even see it. They'll work that out. We can work with your bank if you got your own, no problem. Just let us know, put us in contact, we'll handle the whole thing for you. So subscribe, like, follow us on Instagram too, Rogers_Motorcars. Stay tuned, we got more of these coming. Got one coming next week, 2021. So hope to hear from you and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.